हेलो दोस्तों, मैं आपका स्वागत इंडिया इंग्लिश बोलेगा अभियान में करती हूं। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, सूरज सर इस अभियान को शुरू किए हैं। इसमें हर सप्ताह बेस्ट स्पीकर ऑफ द वीक का कंपटीशन करवाया जाता है। कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए पूरा वीडियो देखिए और कमेंट में बेस्ट स्पीकर का नाम लिखिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।
Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Jamdi Israel. I am from Bihar. I am in Kuwait now, and today I have been given topic. The topic is money versus knowledge. Guys, first of all, I would say about money. Money is a very important. If you have money, you can fulfill your dream. Whatever you want to purchase, you can purchase. Whatever you want to eat, you can eat. Okay, where do you want to go, you can go very easily, you can travel very easily. And just because of money, the people will respect you. And if you don't have money, the people will not respect you, guys. Okay, just because of money, lots of people are struggling. Okay, the money is a very important, guys. Suppose your age 60 years old. Okay, and if you want to purchase anything, and if you don't have money, then you can't purchase, guys. So money is very important. Okay, and if I say about knowledge, so knowledge is also very important, guys. Because if you have knowledge, then you must know that how to save money, where to save money, and how to spend money, guys. If you don't have money, then you will lose your money, guys. Okay. And if you have knowledge, then definitely I can say you can earn money by the knowledge. Okay, and you must know how to behave here. Okay, who is elder than me, how to behave here, and how to talk in a good manner, how to respect our family, how to respect our brother. Okay, you must know, guys. And if you don't have proper knowledge, then you can't earn money, guys. Okay.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. I'm also fit and fine. My name is Hemant Patel and I am from Gujarat. So today guys, I am here to speak about something new topic. I hope you like my topic and video. So let's start. My topic is knowledge of money. So money is very important in our life because today no one gets happiness without money. Whoever you see is crazy about money. Some people have a lot of money and some people have less money, but to be happy you don't need to have money, you need to have knowledge of money. Why you need to have knowledge of money? I will explain. If you get salary on first date of the month and your money is gone by end of the date, that means you don't have knowledge of money. Because knowledge of money can change your life, but for that you need to set the budget. Unnecessary expenses should be avoided. You should save money as much as possible, and you should invest your money in right place where you can get benefits. Thus the knowledge of money brings you happiness in your life. So knowledge of money is very important and we should learn about it. So that's all for today from my side. I hope you like my topic and video. Thank you for listening to me. Thanks.
Good evening everyone, it's Tania from West Bengal. I hope you all are doing well. I am also well. So today we are going to do discussion about a topic which is very important in our life, and it is related to our life also. We can't live without it. It is money versus knowledge. So I would like to talk about money first. So my first point of view that Nowadays many people say that money is everything. Why? I am also believe that. Why is it so? Because if you want to attain something in your life, then you need money. I have many example, like for your education you need money, for any transportation you need money, for any kind of emergency work you have to go anywhere, then you need money. But most important thing that anyone, if anyone getting any problem, like any critical situation, then they need use of money. You can notice in the social media, many people suffering from the critical health issues. They need money. They are posting every day for the help because they don't have the money. So for this point we can support money is everything and money is more powerful. But if you think practically, then you must support the knowledge, because I have many type of example, like if you, there are many reason like that. So my first reason is, if you have a knowledge, then you can increase every day your knowledge by giving other, and you can earning money also. Because nowadays education system is a business system. There are many reason, because there are many reason, like if you have knowledge, then you can increase your knowledge every day by giving others, because only knowledge can give other and increasing. But money, if we can talk about the money, then we every day we spend something money, some money, any for anything, buy anything, do anything, we can we spend, only spend. There are many reasons, like if you have the knowledge, then you can increasing every day by giving other, because knowledge only can do it. But money, if we talk about the money, every day we spend the money, but knowledge only can achieve anything, and knowledge can give us more knowledge. So it is my opinion, knowledge is more powerful for the money. So if you also support me, then you can type in the comment box. Thank you. It's about from my side. Thank you, it's about from my side. Bye bye.